Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, Your Future Boss. You already know. Follow me on Twitter, Your Future Boss. Instagram, Your Future Boss. Everywhere. Today, we got a new unboxing. This just showed up. This is Street Fighter Collector's Edition for the PS5. It's a big box. We got some type of graffiti on it. It says fragile. On the back side here we got your moment, your fight, some of the characters, I guess the game, and this is what you're gonna get in the box. So you got a Buck art book, you got Kimberly and Luke, and you got some stickers and the game. Pretty cool. Let's get into it. First of all, we got to slide this out. So here's the box. Got a couple tabs. We'll cut those real quick. All right. So we got the stickers here. So it's a pack of stickers. You can see that. So there we go. PS5, PS4, 1 year Ultimate Pass. I'm sure there's a code on the back. There is, so I won't show that. The actual PS5 game itself. And when we open up the next part, this must be the art book. This is cool. It's like a magazine, like old school magazine. So you can open that up. Oh, it shows like all the characters. It's pretty cool. It's fire. Put that to the side. Open up the next thing. There's nothing in here. Oh. And here we go. Slightly glare. I don't know if y'all can see that. So the two fighters, standees, they're about like 8 inches tall, so pretty decent size. Cool. And that's it for the box. Let me move this box over. Let's see if we can get into these. They really sealed them in here. I'm not sure if I want to take these out. I think I'm gonna leave them in for now. But you guys can see the characters. Pretty cool. Alright guys, that was a quick view at the Street Fighter edition for the PS5. Leave a comment, let me know what y'all like. If y'all like it, did y'all get it? Did y'all pre-order? Did you already get it? Alright guys, peace.